Okay, so
Hi, how are you, ma'am?
I'm doing great so far. And you?
I'm also fine. Thanks for asking. So, as we are meeting for the first time, so let's start with introduction. So, can you tell me about yourself in brief?
Yeah, sure. My name is Mantasha. I'm from UP in Rampur, and I have completed my post graduation in Urdu language. And my hobby, I love reading, speaking, traveling, and yeah, I'm running YouTube channel. That's all in brief.
Yeah, yeah, great. Okay, let me tell you about myself. So, my name is Muleshwari, and I'm from Chhattisgarh state. I completed my study. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are singing, dancing, painting, and I like to learn new things. And I am also running my YouTube channel. It's been 1.5 months, so that's all about me.
It's great. I visit your channel as you shared. It's nice. You're doing great.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. I also subscribed to your channel and I do watch your videos sometimes.
It's great. Nice. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. So, would you like to tell me about something about your journey, something?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. So actually, I started learning English in 2021, and at that time I was not able to talk anything. Actually, I got to know about one application 2020, but because of my fear, because of my hesitation, and I never talk with any stranger, especially on mobile. So I had fear to my family too, fear of my family members. But they're always not thinking negative. They always think positive, and they always supported me. But I don't know. I think because of my fear, like I never talked with stranger, I just uninstalled that application after using some days because I was not able to talk anything and single words in English. In Hindi also I had a lot of fear, so that's why. But I really like English, so sometimes I used to listen on YouTube. But after 1 year, 2021, I installed that application, and I found the same friends like with they were whom they were like encouraging me to talk on call and for practice. And then I texted them when I installed, and they got surprised like after 1 year, like how you get this kind of confidence and how you decide to learn. Then I said this time, like I totally decide that I will talk with everyone and I will try to learn, and I will definitely learn. I'm not gonna stop. So then they started helping me. I also did really hard. I used to listen a lot because at that time too I was not in English, so I was using mostly Hindi. But they were helping me, and I also like watching some YouTube videos and whatever the things I was getting, I was applying on myself. I used to listen a lot, like simple conversation videos, fairy tale, and motivational videos, spiritual videos. Like it's for my interest. But I used to listen one videos in 10 times, 15 times until I get all the vocabulary and until I get all the story. And then I started enjoying my learning journey. Then later I started explaining to the people in that application and Instamatch different people coming in every call. So I was explaining the same story to different people until I learned like how to explain these kind of things. Like I explain a story, then later I explaining about myself, about movies, and that's how I learned. And I got to know about the telegrams. In telegrams there some groups, there I found some serious learner, and they were coming on particular time and discussing different topic and picture discussions, and same picture same topic, like everyone discussing. Then I was getting different view from each people. Then I also, it was increasing my thinking power. Like I also started thinking about the same picture in different way. And then I made my own private groups. There I added some serious learner. Then I used to do practice on particular time. That's how I learned. And then I left learning after 1.5 years. In 2022 I had to come to city for job and study purpose. Then I totally left. And at that, when I learned at that time, I never talk on video conversation, but it's been a 1 month, 1.5 month, I got to know about this application. Then I'm connecting with people on this Skype, and I'm talking on this like video conversation. So it's really good experience. I'm enjoying, and I'm getting like confident and good experience, and I'm getting a lot of knowledge from them. So I'm enjoying these things.
Uh, it's great to hear that about your journey, that you dedicated your time and you did hard work. That's very nice. Nice to hear that. Yeah, I also just suffered, like I also just got the problem, same like you. I also didn't have the phone to practice my own phone, so I bought my own phone by myself and I started to watch on YouTube the conversation videos, content on YouTube to improve my listening skill. And that's how I got to know that I can create my channel by listening conversation videos and by using AI. So I took the help of AI to create my channel to just connect to with people, everything. So I did all the things by myself. It was really like a challenging journey for me, but I just tried my best.
Yeah, I can understand. In the beginning, it's so much doubt we have how to edit and like this kind of things, right? Because
Yeah, very
when I
difficult.
was learning, that time I was making some kind of small videos, like 1 minute, 2 minute video, and for 1 minute, 2 minutes video, it was taking a lot of time because I was not showing my face. I was just searching on Google like some only vocabulary, and vocabulary I was searching antonyms, synonyms, and sentence, how to make sentence. So that's how I was learning vocabulary, and I was uploading, but I left because of some reason. But yeah, I found like it's really difficult in the very beginning to edit some like
Yeah, it's very difficult.
vocabularies. Yeah.
Everything. Now, when we start something new, so it to like seems very difficult. Once we just do it continuously, then it becomes easier. It becomes easy. So, do you have any question for me to ask?
Yes, ma'am. I just want to know about when did you started and which kind of difficulties you face in the beginning, and what you did to overcome from that kind of difficulties.
I think that to be honest, I didn't have much difficulties, but as I come from Muslim religion, so it was difficult for me to showing my face. Although I created my channel, first channel, but I deleted that channel because of I wasn't able to show my face and I was not having much views. That's why I deleted. But again, I tried to show my face. I convinced my mom, my parents that I really want to create my channel because I have seen the people like women, the girls, they are doing well. So I want to do the same thing. I was very inspired by them. So yeah, they gave me. My mom's understood me. She understood me, and she gave me the chance to just created my channel. So I created. And I was cloud on nine after creating my channel. Once I just uploaded my first video, I couldn't sleep for 2 nights because I didn't post my any photos on social media. So that was little bit nervousness. I felt uncomfortable and I was very like nervous and I like there was lots of problem. Like I was feeling very nervous. So that was really difficult for me. But once I just keep uploading the video, then I just like show like guts, like I collected my courage. Like I felt good. I got the like inspiration from people. They are watching my videos, so I felt little bit courage from them that they are watching me. They are praising my hard work, and then some people are inspired by me as well. So it felt me very happy. I felt very happy by their supports. So yeah, I'm still on the process.
Yeah, I can understand the feeling if someone inspired by you, right? And yeah,
Yeah.
you're doing great. Yeah, I have seen your video, people liking, and you're also speaking very well English.
Thank you so much. Yeah, because I'm very passionate, and that's why my passion like helps me.
Like I do it because I didn't think about it that one day I'll create my channel and I'll speak like this. I didn't think about it at all. But I don't know how did I just come this courage to create. I didn't know this. Just it happens automatically. And I surprised that I can do this thing as well.
Yeah, I can understand. You know, whatever you want to do, you have you have to be passionate, and if you have interest, now you can do anything. Like now, like you ask your mom to make YouTube, but because of your interest, because of your patience,
Yeah,
passionate,
exactly.
right? And same
Exactly.
it's happened with me. Like I was, when I started learning English, I was too much passionate about learning and too much interested. Like you can see, like I
One
was
thing
facing
I
a lot of
want to
problem because,
mention
yeah.
One thing I want to mention that parent support is very important. For example, you are very passionate. You can do it anyway. Even you can go your parents. You can against parents. But if you have the permission, then it will like boost your confidence, right? To do that things.
Yeah, I can understand because I got support for each and everything. They never say no to me, even they are not much educated. And my father studied in only one class, and my mother never went like school. Even they understand me like they are more educated like that. They can send me anywhere alone, and they never stop me to sing, dance, and like I do a lot of things in my village. And still, like after leaving school, I used to, when I was in village, I used to participate in my village Independence Day, Republic Day. I do dance, I do drama, like with childrens. I do all kind of things. So my father, my mother, they always support me. And yeah, like if parents support, then we don't care about others. Like we need support from parents
Exactly. We
only.
don't care about others' opinions at all if we have supports of parents, right? So yeah,
Yeah.
it's play a very crucial role if your parents is supporting you in caring you, your dreams, all things. So no one's opinions matter now if your parents understand you well,
Yeah,
I think.
you're right.
Because I also felt I was like that kind of person, very introvert. Like when I talk to people, and I in first time when I started, so I got lots of problems that I was thinking. There was lots of doubts, overthinking coming in my mind that I'll be able to do something, I'll be able to connect with people or not. All the things were happening in first time, and I was scaring of other people around me, that what they will say about me, will they judge me or like something, right? So all the things happening and everything, but I was like, I had the belief that I can do it because I'm very passionate and I'll do it by hook and crook. I just determined to do it. That's why I think that courage just helped me a lot.
Yeah, same. It's happened with me because as I come from Hindi medium background, like from class first to like till the graduation, I studied in government Hindi medium school. So I faced problem regarding vocabulary and like how to talk with people. And I used to listen a lot. So I was thinking I will speak, I can speak. But when it's come to speak, I feel like how to start, how to say hi, how are you, and when they asked something, I was not able to reply because I was thinking how to reply because I don't know anything. So I I face a lot of problem, I can say, but because of my passion, I was so much passionate and I was so much interested. So I really did hard, and I used to listen a lot, and I work on my reading, writing, speaking, all the things. And I think listening helped me a lot. Then I started speaking because whenever I get time in the beginning and while working in farm, while cooking, like any time, whenever I get time, I used to listen a lot. And
It's
like
very
same
great
video as
habit.
I told you.
Listening is something that we do while learning our mother tongue. So it's very helpful. At the same time, reading as well, that is help us to speak well in pronunciation and understanding grammar, all things. But listening equally important, because the same way we learn our mother tongue, right? We mimic the people, right? And we don't learn the bookish words. We learn that actual the people are using the word sentence. So real life sentences we learn through listening, I think. Phrases,
Yeah,
slangs, but we don't get in book, right? We don't get in books
yeah,
phrase like idioms, but through listening we improved a lot. It's like I started from listening as well, that I wasn't good at reading, as some my friends, not my friends, but when I came across, stumble upon lots of videos, and there were like 11 years old girl, and she was just speaking English, and I was surprised, oh my god, she can speak in English. She was speaking very fluently. So I was very happy after seeing her, and I was watching continuously to her, and I was not getting much, but I don't know, but I have the feeling of happiness. Like while watching her, I was feeling good. And when I come across any unfamiliar word, so I used to go to Google and search directly the meaning. Then I used to I would come back the same video. That's how I just improve my comprehension in English in sentence.
yeah, yeah. Nice, ma'am. So, okay, ma'am, it was really nice conversation with you, and thank you very much for connecting with me. I hope we will talk again soon. Thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah, sure. It's my pleasure.
Yeah,
Always
thank you, ma'am.
welcome.
Yeah, bye. Thank
Yeah,
you.
bye.